My name is Vaishnavie Sangam. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve a 3 by 3 by 3 cube beginner style. Now before we jump into all the algorithms, let's first understand what this cube actually looks like. So this 3 by 3 by 3 cube has 26 pieces. There are a total of 8 corner pieces which have 3 different colors on them, that is 3 different stickers. Then there are 12 edge pieces. These edge pieces have 2 different colors on them, that is 2 stickers. And then as we have 6 sides, we have 6 center pieces. These centerpieces have just 1 sticker on them. Now it is necessary to understand that the centerpiece actually never moves. So the centerpiece is actually used to determine which particular color is going to be on the side. As there are 6 different sides, there are 6 different colors. These colors are white, orange, green, red, blue and yellow. It is important to know that the color white is on the opposite side of the color yellow. This means that in the entire cube, the color white and yellow will never be in the same piece together. Likewise, the color blue is on the opposite side of the color green and the color red is on the opposite side of the color orange. Now this becomes very important to know because this is how you start solving the cube. So let's understand what are the different moves that we can do on this cube. Now this particular side is the top side. This is my front side. This is my right side. This is my left side. This is my back side and this is my bottom side. So this is how I'm going to look at my cube with the green as my front side. The very important moves that we're going to do is right, which goes like this. Right clockwise. If I say right inverse or right prime, which means anti-clockwise. I can also call it as R prime. Now this is my left side. When I do this is called as left. This is left going clockwise. When I do this way, this is left prime or L inverse. When I do this is up. When I do this is up inverse or up prime or U prime. When I do this is back because this goes as back clockwise. When I do this is back prime or back inverse. When I do this is front going clockwise. When I do this is front inverse or front prime or F prime. When I do this is down going clockwise. When I do this is down anti-clockwise or down prime or down inverse. This is down going anti-clockwise. So now that rotations are well understood, we are going to start solving the cube. So as far as beginner's method is concerned, we are going to be solving this cube layer by layer. That is, first we are going to solve one particular layer like this. Then we will go towards the middle layer and then the top layer. The very first step is to choose the color that you want to start with. Let's start with the color white. You see that white is in the center. This means the color white is going to be solved here. So now white is going to be our bottom layer of the cube. If you want a single video on how to solve this cube, I have made a tutorial which I'll link up in the card. So let's start with the color white. To solve this particular layer into white, we have to first start with its opposite side, that is yellow. The very first step is to create a daisy. A daisy is a flower with yellow center and white petals. So the very first step is to create white edges right here. So for this, we'll go start fetching some white edges on the side. I see a white edge here with orange side. We have to bring this petal up here. The first petal is done. So for the very next petal, I see that there are no white pieces on this side. I see a white piece here. This white is with the color blue. So to bring this white onto this side, I'll just simply move this side like this in the front and then move this to right like this. You see, I brought this petal from here to here. I see that there is another petal here which I'll bring here by doing this. Now I see that there is another petal right here. To bring this side to this side, I'll just simply move this side twice, there. So here we have created the daisy. So if you were successful in reaching till here, good job. So once this daisy is done, the next step is to create a white cross. That is to bringing these white edge pieces to its actual place. To do this, I'll just randomly select any one edge piece. Let's go with this one. I see that this color has an orange with it. So I'm going to move this side till I match with my orange. When this happens, I'll just simply flip this side twice like this and bring that white from here to here. So you can actually see that this white matches this orange matches. So this particular edge piece is in its right place. So once you have done this for the white color, do this for the rest of the colors. I'll randomly select any one color. Let's go with this. This has the color red to it. So I will keep moving this side till I match with the red one. And then I'll just simply rotate this side twice like this. And there you go. White, white, red, red. Now I'll select this color blue. And I'll just simply go and find its center. Okay, the center matches. And now I'm going to flip this side like this. There you go. White, white, blue, blue. And the last color is white and green. There. These two greens matches, so I'll just flip this side. White, white, green, green. So now that you have created a white plus, the next step is to go solve the white corners. So to solve the white corners, we have to first find the white corners. I see a white corner here. This white corner has a white, red, and a green. So we have to find the place where this white corner should go. It's this place because it has a green and a red here. So I'll try to bring this white corner somewhere closer to this side like this. So this white corner has to go here. Now to bring this piece right here, this is what I'm going to do. So when you have a white piece like this to your front, this is the algorithm that you do. So this way the piece that was here came here. I see that there is another side with white, orange and blue. We'll try to find out where that piece should go. So here is the blue, orange and white side. So that piece should come here. I'll try to bring this piece right here, closer to its side. We see that the white side is to our front. So this is the algorithm that we're going to do. There can be conditions where the white color is not on your front side but on your right side or on your down side. So in such cases where the white is on your down side, let's find where this piece should actually go. This white piece has a green and orange. A green and orange is right here. So we'll take it down here. So this piece should come here. So in this case, this is what we're going to do. The white piece that was down here would go here. Now bring it to this side twice and then bring it up. So now the white piece is now not on the down side but on the right side. This is what we are going to do when the white piece is on your right side. There, simple. Now we have the same condition right here where our white is on the down side and we need to bring it either to this side or that side. So this is what we are going to do. Now we see that this particular white with red and blue is now on the right side. The white is facing our right. So we'll simply do this and bring it up. Now while solving, you might have seen that the white is up here. How do we bring it down? We'll just simply pull it down like this. We'll either move it this side or this side, whichever side we do not have a white piece. Now in this case, I do have a white piece, but this actually ends up going to its right side. But if I want no piece to be right here, I'll just try to move it till I get a non-white piece and bring it up. So this way all my white pieces are now down here. Now you see the first layer is solved. The first layer is not just simply solved because of its stickers but because of its pieces. This white center never moves. This white edge piece is in its right side because the red matches. This white piece is also in its right side because the green matches. In this case the white and orange matches. And here the white and blue matches. Also the corner pieces are in its right side. You see the red matches, the blue matches, the blue matches, the orange matches, the orange matches, the green matches, the green matches and the red matches. So now congratulations if you were able to solve this one side. Now we will move on to the next layer in the next video. Now if you are interested in buying this cube or any other cube that I have, I will put the link in the description so you can go ahead and buy them. So this cube is really inexpensive and good quality. So I highly recommend you just go buy this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's basically free. And if you like this video, gently tap the like button so I know that you like this video. Also comment down below on any kind of suggestions. Let's start. Hi. We are going to learn how to solve the lighting is changing so much. Now before we there are a total of 8 corner cubes. Wow. and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shanti se bolo, Shanti se bolo. Which has both. The color which has both. This I'll talk about. I'll talk about the nose. The very next step is to grow. I did a mistake, sorry. Okay, now go. Bye.